Welcome back to Average Mike's, guys, and today we are back at it again in our bathroom, building this closet, doing the bathroom remodel. Alright guys, we are back again another day. Like I said, we are continuing our wall build here for our new closet. And ultimately we'll be kind of touching every surface in this bathroom, kind of updating it a little bit. So if you haven't seen the last videos, I'm going to post a thing for the playlist, a link for a playlist up above. But yeah, so where we left off last time is we finished up building this wall. We had to cut out some of the floor. Today, what the plan is I already, as you can see, I already started drawing out my lines here, 16 inches off of where this stud is, just so we can get a line all the way down. We can score to remove this piece and the piece back here, and the same on this side. This door is going to be a little bit tricky. This whole section will come out, but I'm assuming the next stud's going to be 16 off of here, but we'll see. Actually, there's probably a stud going straight up. We can just cut it back to that. That'll be a little better. But in order to do that, we have to remove the trim. I'm going to remove all the trim inside the closet and remove some of this door trim here. So that's where we're going to get started. So I'm going to go remove all the trim and then start scoring these with a knife to hopefully break them out, and then we can start throwing in some new sheetrock. I'll take a second here. Obviously we're dealing with concrete under here, and I have this is mounted to the side here. However, nothing's really, besides the frame up top, nothing's really holding this down the bottom. That's where this Remington gun comes into play. Basically there's a nail, special nail here, goes into there, and there's a bullet that goes in the top. So the bullet just sits up in here, and I push it down, and then it goes down. It's covered up. You place this where you want it. Take a hammer, and ultimately it's a gun. So at this point, same acts the same as a gun. Basically, bullet goes in, you hit the striker at the top, sets the bullet off, shoots the nail in the wood. All you gotta do is there it is. Always scares the crap out of me doing it, but does a good job. It's not all the way in, but you know, it's gonna hold it's in the concrete. That's all that matters. So bring it over here. I'll do it again. Sorry for the lighting, but I wanted to do this while nobody was sleeping or doing something, so because it does get loud, shock somebody. So load this up again. Get a nail. So the shell casing is probably still in here. Yep. There's your old shell. New bolt going in. Here's your nail. Has a grommet there to kind of hold it straight in the barrel here. Place it down. I'm going to place it on the end here. Take our hammer. There it is. Alright, so these are solid. Not going to go anywhere now. We can put our sheetrock up. Alright guys, as you can see, we finished up all the drywall. The drywall's up, ready to go. We put these corner beads on, and I verified that we are sitting good. We're not going to catch. I'm sure we'll find one spot or two that catches when we go to spackle, but that'll be on the next video. So until then, if you like what you saw, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button, comment below what you think of the build, and next video will be spackling, painting, and getting this part of it finished up, and then we'll go ahead and we're going to start doing some fancy stuff around the rest of the room, and replacing some of these fixtures and some trim. So until then, like I said, you can subscribe, comment below, like. Average Mike merch store, links down below, and I guess I'll catch you guys next time. Later.